Hey, welcome back to Make Money with Rod. I'm Rod, just in case there was any confusion kind of thing. And if you're new here, just hit the subscribe button. Today we're talking about affiliate marketing 101, but with a twist. I'm going to tell you about what nobody tells beginners. This could save you a lot of frustration, just a lot of heartache kind of thing. Because a lot of people online they tell you affiliate marketing is easy. You make $9,000 in your first week, like Susie did. What they don't tell you is that Susie had 400,000 subscribers on Instagram before she bought the product. So she sent out an ad every day for a week and made $9,000 off 500,000 people. If you're starting out and you don't have 400,000 followers on Instagram, you're not going to make $9,000 in your first week. And if you have 500,000 people, 400,000 people following you on Instagram, you're definitely not going to be watching my channel, which helps people kick off affiliate marketing businesses. So let's get started. Let's jump right in there kind of thing. Affiliate marketing looks easy from the outside, and a lot of marketers do try and make it sound easy just because they're trying to sell you training courses kind of thing. Most of them say you just grab a link, sign up for the affiliate link, get your link posted, and boom, money starts rolling in. You start making money on your first day because that's how keen the people. Yeah, back in 2012, 2013, it might have been like that. Internet was a new thing. People were just buying all the shiny objects they could find, but it doesn't work like that anymore. These days, people buy from people they know, like, trust. So you've got to get your name out there first. You've got to do a little bit of work in the beginning so people actually, know who you are. You've got to have your own little successes. I know it's a bit of an oxymoron kind of thing. How do you have the successes without, having the successes? Yeah. Anyway, it's a big problem, but you can get there. Best way to get there is to align yourself with people who have done it already. Just follow their lead. Use their testimonials. Don't make up testimonials. Whatever you do, don't lie on the internet. There's enough of that. But there's nothing wrong with using your mentors' testimonials, their successes, their students' successes. As long as the figures are real, then you have a place to start kind of thing. So the biggest problem is people jump in without a plan. They just think they need money by Friday to pay their rent. They're just going to make a quick buck with affiliate marketing, and that's where everyone goes wrong kind of thing. And then 4 months later they've spent $200 that they didn't have in the first place, and they haven't made a cent yet, and they give it all up and they go flip burgers at McDonald's or something. Whatever people do when they give up affiliate marketing. Me, I went back to a corporate job the first time I gave up, and the second time I gave up. This is the third time I'm here, and this time I'm not giving up kind of thing. I'm still on the journey. I haven't made $1 million yet, but I'm on my way. Before I retire, I will make $1 million with affiliate marketing. Okay, so what is the biggest problem? As I said, people jump in without a plan. They wonder why nothing happens, and then they quit before they give themselves a chance to succeed. So let me tell you what actually does happen. What actually does work. There's just key to what actually works is just having 3 things in place. A system to capture emails. You've got to build your email list from day one. Do not send people straight to your affiliate link. First of all, if you're doing it on social media, you're going to get your accounts banned. You're going to get your accounts locked. They do not like you sending their visitors off their site to your affiliate link. They're not a big fan of that. They like to keep the audience inside their ecosystem. So you need bridge pages, you need capture pages, you need opt-in pages. But don't get scared. It's not all doom and gloom. Once you start capturing the emails, the email list is your asset. No one can take it away from you. Your Facebook account can get shut down. Your Instagram account can get frozen and investigated, or whatever they call it these days, with no reason at all. But once you've got someone's email address, you can email them anytime you want, until they unsubscribe, of course. But until then, you own the email address. You own that asset. You also have a way to build trust with people, because now you can send them your story. You can tell them who you are. You can make them see the value you can add to their lives, kind of thing. You need a supportive community. You can't do this stuff alone. You really do need the support of other people going through the same journey as you, kind of thing. So this is where most beginners fail. Nobody tells you that the real secret isn't the affiliate link. It's in the system around that link, kind of thing. So it's going to be a very short video. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritties. I will do a whole series of what is affiliate marketing, what is email marketing, what is blogging, what is all the stuff around affiliate marketing. I'm just working on the outline of that series and things, and then I'll put it on the channel, and it'll be for free, kind of thing. So stick around, subscribe. What I can give you is some recommendations. I will down below the video I will stick some links. If you're wondering why you're looking at a medium background and not just me on video, because the whole screen full of my face is just not cool. Most of the stuff in the first couple of videos that's going to appear on the site, I think this is video number 3 or something, originated as blog posts. So on Medium is a free to sign up platform. You can pay $5 a month if you want, and then you get to read a whole bunch more stuff. But Medium itself, to go read my articles, is free. I'll put the link below, kind of thing. I think we're approaching close to 100 articles on Medium now. They're also on my blog, which is accessible from makemoneywithrod.com. I'll put that link down below. And there's a Google site where there's many opportunities, kind of thing, where you can go browse, you can pick up your free 7-day affiliate quick start program. For that I will need your email address. See, you're learning already how to collect people's email addresses. If you want that quick start guide in an editable format, email me. You'll find my email address on one of the sites, on one of the contact us pages. Email me and just say, please, can I have this this guide in an editable format? You can swap out my links with your links. You can put your name and your photograph in there, change the cover. You're welcome to use it, kind of thing. It took me a while to put it together, but you're welcome to use it if it's going to help you get started, kind of thing. So the one thing I would endorse or would recommend is a program called MAP. I think I did it in the last video also, Master Affiliate Profits. Ecosystem put together by John Thornhill and Omar Martin. You're welcome to go Google those two gentlemen. And Omar Martin is supported, he's a team with his wife. So it's John, Omar, and, oh man, she's going to kill me, kind of thing. Melinda, kind of thing. Sorry. But they put together the MAP ecosystem, and it really is brilliant, kind of thing. You can join for free, it doesn't cost you a cent. There are upgrade options, obviously, we all need to make money. But for free, you get some very quality training. You get training that they themselves could have sold for, a couple of $100, if not, $1,000. And it's really worth it. It takes you from the beginning, from right where do you start, kind of thing. And it's training on list building, email marketing, blogging, SEO, social media marketing, the do's, the don'ts, what's going to get you caught, what's going to get you suspended, it covers just about everything. So I would really recommend you start with MAP. I'll put that link down below, but you can also find it on the Google site and on makemoneywithrod.com. So if you've tried affiliate marketing and you think you failed, you haven't failed until you quit. Okay, so don't beat yourself up. Forget the overnight success stories. Forget the Susie made $9,749.32 in her first week trying this new method. Yeah, good luck with that. I've tried all of those. I have yet to make $9,372.32 my first week trying a program. People need to know you. They need to like you. They need to trust you before they're going to buy that kind of stuff from you. And also people say get into high ticket affiliate offers right from the beginning. Yeah, if you can't sell something for $7 to somebody, how do you think you're going to sell something for $1,000 to somebody? So yeah, you decide. Okay. Let's see, where are we here? So yeah, MAP's going to be a shortcut for you. So just go try it out. It's going to cost you nothing. and I think I've covered everything I wanted to cover here. Yeah, as I say, just browse my sites, have a look how I'm doing it. I'm no guru, I'm no expert. As I say, I haven't made $1 million. Nothing. John and Omar collectively have made several $1 million, so take it from them rather. Okay, well that's it for today. Oh, let me just show you the sites while I'm here, kind of thing. So this is Medium, that's me, and yeah, as I say, we're very close to 100 things. And Medium I started a few months ago. As you can see, I've only got 3 followers, so it's not a major traffic source for me. But from here I share it to LinkedIn. These are very how should we say, SEO optimized sites, so Google finds the articles and sends traffic to them eventually. This is Make Money with Rod. There's the Google site right there, there's the blog right there, but as I say, scratch around. There's a resource page, it's going to show you all sorts of stuff. This here is where you go access the map ecosystem. Somewhere on the channel also there is a video that says how to create your free account in the map system. Please get that, watch that video. It's about 5 minutes long, because a lot of the how should we say, leads that go to the map end up being partial or abandoned, because people don't read the screen. They don't realize they have to go copy a password sent to the email address they just put in order to finish creating their free account. So please just watch that video, follow it, and I'll stop talking now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, cheers, bye.